This is how gym owners should be using Claude. I will show you how to create dashboards like this with simple prompts like how are my daily sales, which location is performing better, or how can I improve my daily attendance. In this video, I will show you how to use Claude Intelligence in order to create dashboards with your Mindbody data. For this, we will be using an MCP. An MCP is a way to integrate to different systems without having to understand and read all the documentation and learning about the endpoints. In this case, the MCP will be the intelligent layer between our system and the data. In this case, we will be providing this MCP. So we'll jump into mindbody.amalgama.co and we will log in to get started. Here it will ask us Mindbody site ID. In this case, you as users, you will have your own IDs. Once I have my site ID in the input, I will be able to authorize Mindbody integration from the Mindbody portal. So it will open a new tab. In this case, I will have a message prompt in here and asking me if I want to enable this integration. Once it's enabled, I can go back to the screen, the Mindbody MCP screen, and I will click Authorize. It will ask for my username and my password. Once we click on Connect, I will have the MCP ready to be connected from Claude. Here in this screen, I will have a little instruction in order to make this easier. But if you go straight into your own Claude Desktop, you will be able to do it without problem. With this, we all have the first step already done. What we have made is to integrate the MCP with your own Mindbody data, and we're ready to connect Claude Desktop into the data. So we'll jump into the Claude Desktop app. To continue with this integration, we'll have to go to the Customize section from Chat or Co-work sections in your Claude Desktop app. If we click on Customize and we go to Connectors, we'll have the option to add a new connector. Here, I will add a custom new connector. In this case, I will set a name, Mindbody, or whatever name you want, and I will copy the URL that the Amalgama portal is providing me. In this case, with that, we will be ready. So if you're seeing this and all these different tools, you will be, everything's looking good. So you can choose to allow all the actions or just to select which ones. But you will be ready to start using your integration. You can go back to your chat or to your co-work section and start chatting about this. Okay, with this, the connection is done. So now we can jump into Claude to talk about which things do you want to know. So we can ask questions like, which of my locations is performing better? Make a chart. Okay, so here we have the answer and the chart that Claude prepared with all the information that the MCP retrieved from Mindbody. So you can see all this data is real and it's real time. So you can get to filter everything and you can get all the real time questions that you want with all the Claude intelligence in here. Now let's go with another example. Which were the most popular classes by bookings? Again, here Claude would think about this answer, would retrieve the information, and it will share with me the result, and I can do whatever I want with that result. I can create a chart, I can keep it here, I can even send an email with this. And here it goes. Here you can see all the information. Again, it was retrieved real time from the Mindbody API using the Amalgama MCP. And you can continue the conversation with different prompts. And that's it. That's how you can connect and retrieve all the information from your Mindbody account with just a prompt from Claude. In my future videos, I will be speaking about how to display these dashboards and make them public to your own company, and how to create automations out of this data. Leave in your comments if you have any other doubts, and we can work on them. Stay connected.